We're here live on the floor at ITC 2024, and I've got another set of ITC innovators with me here. I got Lasse Young, and I've also got Ryan McMurray. Ryan McMurray over here from Hexure, and a company that I'm very familiar with. I was actually a former client, but I want to give these gentlemen an opportunity to talk about their innovations in the product and their specific value proposition they bring to the life market. So, Lasse, tell us a little bit about your product and that specific value proposition.
Yeah, absolutely. So our platform, what we really focus on life, annuities, long-term care, DI space. Mm-hmm. So here at ITC, that's kind of the type of folks we're talking to. We're talking to the PNC shops. We're trying to cross-sell that into their customer base. Our platform really streamlines that sales process, that front-end sales process. We're the leader in the illustration side of things for permanent products and annuities, quoting, all the way into the application experience, and really kind of streamlining that, making it easy, making that process really sing for the advisors, the agents in the industry. Our goal is really to make the selling and the buying of life and annuities a much better experience for the agent and the consumer.
Sure.
And that's what we've seen with our platform. I mean, to the point where we average around 90 to 94% in good order when it goes through our platform.
The holy grail.
Some of the carriers issue policies within seconds when it goes through ours, whereas when they do like a paper app or some of our competing platforms, it's weeks or sometimes months, depending on what's going on.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Ryan, what are you most excited about here at ITC in terms of what you're seeing on the floor or what you're hearing in sessions?
Really vibrant energy. A lot of people just walking around, a lot of great networking. They do a great job of putting together the meetings with their little meeting center. So I'm having a lot of great conversations and meeting a lot of new carriers. So
that's awesome. Yeah. That's awesome, Ryan. So, for both of you gentlemen, AI, we can't have a conversation anywhere at ITC without talking about AI, right? It's everywhere. In fact, I bought a toothbrush from Costco. It says AI embedded, right? It's like, can't get out of it. So tell me a little bit about what's on your roadmap, what's in your crystal ball as you think about AI, either for your product, your company, or for the industry at large.
Yeah, so as far as AI goes, we're watching it very closely. Typically, what we've seen on the life and annuity side, as far as technology goes, it's a little bit behind the PNC side, right? And so there's so much regulation in the financial side of the business too. And so we're constantly looking. I think for 2025, we're just finalizing our roadmap for 2025. So we've got some things we're starting to pull in. Honestly, a lot of the innovation on our platform is carrier driven. So the integrations that we do, the pieces that we pull in. So we're collaborating with the carriers. We're bringing them in. We're trying to bring AI into the process of things like filling the app, helping advisors understand the process better, and just streamlining all that. So I wouldn't say there's very specific things on the roadmap right now, but we're watching it really closely because obviously it's a big part of the future.
Quicker decisions on the life side.
Right.
Absolutely.
The jet issue is the holy grail, right? So let's get that eye going, let's get it out, right? And so talk a little bit about the integrations, because I believe that that's another piece here. What value are you bringing to carriers as it relates to the integrations, or as a CIO, do I have to manage all those integrations myself?
Yeah, so what's cool about Firelight is it's a really configurable and customizable platform.
Right.
More than a lot of the platforms out there, in the sense that not only can carriers manage their own rules and forms in the system, but we have a whole service component. We have actuaries on staff, things like that, where we go out and we build that process. We make we can pull illustrations and really kind of streamline that process with. Part of that, and a really big part of that, and making that move quickly, is pulling in data from different sources. Right. Things like LexisNexis, or if you're doing, if you're doing on the life side, it's a lot of underwriting engines, and but also on the annuity side, things like exchanges, right? We integrate with like 1035 Yellow Pages so agents don't have to go out and figure out what the seeding carrier's requirements are, things like that. That's why we have such high in good order rate. We've got over 200 integrations that we've done with different technology partners, and that really makes that process work really, really well. And it really wouldn't work as well without that. So that's part of what we're looking for here at ITC. Sure. We're looking at what other companies we need to be talking to, what other companies we need to be looking at from an integration perspective, so we can really make that process work better.
That's awesome. Gentlemen, thank you so much for the time. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got Lasse and Ryan, another set of amazing ITC innovators here at ITC 2024. Thanks again, guys.